festival aims at providing a common platform for filmmakers from across the globe. Where they showcase their talent and put forth the excellence of cinema from all over, bringing together film cultures.
Speaking about the cinematic excellence, technological prowess, rich culture and illustrious heritage of storytelling of India, Information and Broadcasting Minister Anurag Thakur on Thursday said that India's red carpet presence captured the diversity of cinematic excellence not only in terms of representation of actors and filmmakers but also through OTT platforms. Thakur's remarks came while delivering the official keynote address after inaugurating the Indian Pavilion at Cannes Film Festival. The Union Minister said, Indian startups from the media and entertainment sector are also present to showcase their technological prowess and pitch to the world. From the world of AVGC, along with a strong delegation of animation professionals from the sector. The celebration of India at Cannes and the recognition of our cinematic excellence the world over is set to manifest the country into the content hub of the world. Indian cinema has played a crucial role and portrayed our fight for independence, be it through turbulent times and in our times. Today, the media and entertainment sector in India is a significant contributor not only to the creative economy but also for projecting India's soft power abroad, Thakur said. Thakur delivered the keynote address in the presence of the chairperson of the Central Board of Film Certification and veteran lyricist Prasoon Joshi, actor and director R. Madhavan, Indian filmmaker Shekhar Kapoor and Secretary Ministry of Information and Broadcasting Apurva Chandra.
The Indian film industry over the past 110 years has epitomized India's civilization culture of storytelling, from wall paintings to texts, from television to theatres, and from reels to virtual reality. We can very proudly say that हमारे पास सिर्फ फिल्म इंडस्ट्री नहीं, हमारे पास सिनेमा है।
बहुत खुशी हो रही है कि आप इनिशिएटिव ले रहे हैं इस तरह के सिनेमा को लेके, और हमें ज़रूरत है जिस तरह के हमारे स्टोरीज बहुत हैं, हमारी कंट्री में बहुत स्टोरीज हैं जो बहुत लोकल हैं लेकिन ग्लोबल लेवल पे बहुत वर्क कर सकती हैं वो, क्योंकि हर जगह पे एक स्टोरी है हमारे यहाँ पे। हमें थोड़ा सा आई थिंक मुझे लगता है कि उस तरह की फिल्म पे ध्यान अभी मैं आप बैठे हैं तो मैं इसलिए आप क्योंकि आप इनिशिएटिव ले रहे हैं इस चीज़ का, तो मैं आपसे ही रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि बहुत सारी बार ऐसा एक्सपीरियंस हुआ कि वो यहाँ पे आके बहुत अप्रिशिएट हुई, अवार्ड भी मिले और दूसरे फेस्टिवल्स में भी अवार्ड मिले, लेकिन जब वहाँ पे रिलीज करने पे जाते हैं तो थोड़ा दुख होता है बहुत, क्योंकि उस तरह की फिल्मों को सपोर्ट बहुत कम है। आई होप कि अभी अनुराग जी हैं तो उस तरह की फिल्मों को थोड़ा सपोर्ट करेंगे। थैंक यू।
Is the East. We are the East. We are the culture. We are the storytellers. We have to step forward confidently that the world will accept us.
India is at the cusp of greatness. This is just the beginning, and I want to thank people like Rahman sir and yourself, Shekhar sir. I think you all are really the ones who've put India on the global map. It is because of your contribution over the years that has allowed people like us to be here today. Having said that, I feel like we have a long way to go as a country. I feel really proud today as an Indian to be here, to be representing the country. But when we look back at the 75 years of Cannes, and I've said this earlier, there are literally a handful of Indian films or Indian actors or Indian talent that has been able to make it. And I feel like collectively as a nation, we have it. We have the talent, we have the ability, and I think we just need that sort of conviction. And there will come a day, I truly believe, where India won't have to be at Cannes, Cannes will be in India. Thank you.